Hi friend, today I show you the model of the 4-cylinder engine, and also we have started the same one and tested the engine. And this one is the only Ford model. Now for the running, this is the process for the starting. And after that, we have selected the engine article. Then you can see the what is the show performance of the model of 4-cylinder engine. Please see the live video of the same. Till date, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification when we have uploaded any new videos on this channel. The notification of the same will be received by you. Further knowledge. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends, colleagues and technicians while taking the knowledge of the set.